Hello and welcome to NewEraDialer. This is Mike. I'll be showing you and giving you a tour of our software right here. So let's begin. So when you log in for the first time, you'll see something like this, okay? Now keep in mind that you will not see the phone numbers here. We'll go ahead and add that up. You'll see something called leads. And on leads, you'll be able to see people who called you. And conversation, you'll be able to see, you'll be able to interact with people with text back and forth. And sub accounts is our special feature. It allows you to have sub accounts. Keep in mind, this is a special feature for agencies and reseller. If you don't see this feature and if you want it, please make sure to contact our support, and we're more than happy to go ahead and see what we can do for you and add it to your account. Let's go ahead and click on setting. Let's go ahead and we need to go ahead and add account SID, authorization token, and account application SID. So three of this information. So we'll do that from a company called Twilio. So what is Twilio? So Twilio is a publicly traded company. Okay. Now, as you can see, this is a publicly traded company. Now, this company allows you to buy phone numbers, meaning you can buy a phone number from US, Canada, UK, any country you want, and you can connect it to our software. Now, keep in mind that Twilio is an API company, meaning they don't provide you with any software. All they provide you with is this API code. Let me show you. So go ahead and create an account, okay, on Twilio. Let's go and click on this. Let's go and click on guest. I'm going to go ahead and click on Twilio.com. And from here, you can go ahead and create an account by clicking on sign up right here. Okay. Put your information here and things like that. And once you're done, you'll have your account. Okay. Now, once the account is created, let's go ahead and log into the console. Now, when I'm logged into the console, I'm going to scroll down. I want to go ahead and get some of the information here. So I want to go ahead and copy this account SID. And you have to do this only once. Okay, let's go ahead and get the authorization code. And lastly, we're going to go ahead and save this here like this, update profile. I'm also going to go ahead and click on the second link here. Click on this first one. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on create a new Twilio app. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it Demo 444, okay? And what I'm going to do is I need to go ahead and copy and paste two URLs here, which you can find right here. So the voice is right here. What this allows you to do is make phone calls. Let's go here and right here. Okay. Let's go and click on create. Let's go ahead and click on this right here. And then copy this, go back here and copy and paste it right here. So once you have done this, you are good to go. Now let's go and click on numbers. Now we have a phone number here, but let's go and add a brand new phone number. Let's go ahead and click on add a new number. Now, let's give it a name. So I'm going to call it Demo 123. Now to get our phone number, let's go back to Twilio. Click on phone numbers, click on active numbers. Now I do have this active number here, but I'm going to go ahead and buy one more by clicking on buy a number. I can select my country right here, very easy, where I want to buy my phone number from. Each phone number will cost you $1.15 every month, very cheap. And after that, they just charge you for the minutes, which is like the fraction of the pennies. Let's go and click buy this. I'm going to copy this. Make sure to click on buy. Click on configure. We want to go back here. I'm going to go and paste this phone number here. Make sure there's no spaces in between. Like this. Make sure there's no space. There's no space. Okay. Click on add a number. Now let's go back. Click on this little button one more time. So what is voice? So voice, a man's voice, a woman's voice. Alice is a special robot voice. Okay. And if you want to change the accent, okay, so for example, if you want to do Indian accent, you can do India English. If you wanted to do like a UK, English, you could select this, or Australian English right here, okay? Or you can do Hola Español, from Spanish right here. Of course, you got French, oui, and you got Dutch, you got Polish, you got Chinese, ni hao ma. You got all of these languages right here. So let's go ahead and click on save a number. Okay. Now, we need to do one more thing before we can use it. So click on this little button. A call comes in. Let's copy this. Let's go back here. Scroll all the way down and you'll see a call comes in. A call comes in. Paste that here. A message comes in. Copy that. Go back here. Scroll all the way down. Message comes in. Replace it here. Do not change any of these things. Leave it as is, okay? And save. Now, guess what? You are done. You have just set up your New Era system and the phone number is ready to be used right here. Okay, so thank you so much.